Hey there, it's Brittany, and I have a bead haul from Chelsea's Beads. I haven't shopped there in a long time because I usually shop with other people who have similar items, but I haven't seen these items before, and it was like all of a sudden on their site. So I was like, okay, and I got an email about it. So I got everything in here is coral, and all of it's dyed, but it's so beautiful. Look at these like little lotus flowers. The reason why I got this is because there were so many on this strand. And I don't know how much of this stuff is still available on their site, but I will absolutely link to Chelsea's Beads in the description. This is not an affiliate or anything, just a bead haul that I spent my own money on. So really pretty, like angel pink coral lotus flowers. I also got those in a darker pink red. So it is red. Some of them have some pink on them. And then I got it in a beautiful orange. We know orange is my kryptonite at the moment. Love it. And then I got a bunch of red beads. So I think when I bought these, I thought they were in the shape of hands, but it was just a trick of my eyes because the pictures were so small. And it also said hand carved in the description, but there was only one, so I grabbed these. The only thing I don't love about this strand, and it was made very, very clear in the description that some beads may be broken because they're old. I did get a broken bead here, and I got a broken bead here. However, and I think this one's slightly broken too. I can actually still make really pretty, gorgeous jewelry with those. I just, you know, we all love a perfect bead. But anyway, it is what it is. They're vintage, they're gorgeous, they're hand carved, they're dyed. I just love these. They look like little hands, and they look like hearts kind of, and they look like owls a little bit. So you can see whatever you want in them. I think they call them fans though. Then I got a smaller version, a little different shape, still beautiful. I am on the fence on whether I want to just keep these or make like earring kits from them, because I think these would be really pretty higher end earring focals. I got these, like, they're not hearts, they've got carved flowers on them. They almost look like a shield, but I just thought, you know, this is more of a focal haul than I typically get. Like, usually beads I get that are on strands like this you will use a lot of them in one piece. I would probably only use a few of these in one piece because they're so cool. Got these beautiful coral carved, I don't know if they're sunflowers or daisies. They're so gorgeous. You know I love flowers so, so much. It's just a cool shape. It's cool retro shape. Beautiful. This is the smaller version of that other fan. So I got 3 different versions. So 2, this one in a large and a small, this one in a fan, and then that one's a little different. I got these because I just thought they were so neat. They're carved like an Asian symbol. Pink. This would look really pretty with mint or pale aqua or turquoise. I do have a huge bag of pink coral that I got this summer that I never showed you, and I might do something with that. Who knows? And then the next 3 strands are just simply amazing. So this first one is hearts, but it's orange. Oh my gosh, I am dying. Look at this. Carved flowers on a heart. We know I love flowers. Hearts are one of my favorite shapes. And the back says love. Oh my gosh, I could like cry. Well, this one's not perfect, but that's okay. Most of them are pretty great. I just could cry. They're so stinking cute. I just would love one of these in the middle with a turquoise, like turquoise on the outside or green or whatever. And then these 2 are my 2 favorites. So I got another orange strand. Look how beautifully carved this is. It's a bird and flowers. And I think the bird is on a branch or another flower, and it just beautiful, just beautiful. I love the inconsistencies in the color. I like the pitting, everything, and the quatrefoil shape is my favorite. I got those quatrefoils from Cindy for my birthday, so maybe, I don't know, I was planning on doing something else with those, but maybe. And then this is my other favorite strand. It's just so cool. It's just so cool. It's a monkey, carved monkeys on pink and white coral, and every single one of them is different. He's just sitting there hanging out. So cool, and it's a full strand, and these are heavy, and I got a really good deal on them. I feel like I didn't pay enough for these, so thank you to Chelsea's Beads, I guess. But I am super, super happy with this order, and I actually ordered it on a day. Was like, Brittany, you need to chill on the beads, because I've been ordering a lot of beads, y'all. And I was like, oh, no more beads till the end of the year. Then that's when the narrator kicked in. She will never stop buying beads. But anyway, I was out to dinner with my mom, and then the email came through, and I was like, oh, I gotta get them, because Chelsea's does sell out sometimes. So gosh, it's just so cool. It's just such a cool thing. Love the vibes, love the colors. I'm so happy with it. I will, again, put a link in the description. It is not an affiliate link. I do not get any kickbacks or anything from them. Let me know what your favorite was, what you'd like to see me make, and stay tuned for Goldie. If I'm on schedule, this video is airing on Christmas, and I will be having my 1,000 videos live on Friday, the 27th. So yesterday, my channel hit 1,000 videos, and we're going to celebrate that with a live. So hopefully I'll see you sometime on Friday. More info to come on that. Have a good day. Stay tuned for Goldie. She's super cute. Bye-bye. Hi, Christmas tree. Hi. It's a Merry Christmas. Yes, it's a Merry Christmas.